When you're out here boondocking, there's one thing people want to know. They won't ask, but they want to know how you go. So today, I'm going to show you how I take care of business. I'm going to show you my homemade little porta potty and how it works. This is my little porta potty. It is a composting toilet with a separate urine diverter. I did build everything out of reused pieces except for the separate. So this is a composting toilet, solids in the back and liquids in the front. And it's just a simple 3-gallon bucket with a bag in the back and a removable jug in the front for the urine. It has a lid on it right now because I'm not using it, and I just cleaned everything. Right, so how does this work? So for the solids, this is how I flush. This is a mixture of pine and coffee, my coffee grinds. I found that I tried a lot of different things. I used to have a composting toilet, one of those really, really expensive $1,000 ones, and I found out that this works just as well, actually better, and is a lot more cost effective. So these are pine shavings that you find in the pet aisle of the box stores, and I mix it with I just save my coffee grinds and I dump it in there and mix it up, and it gets it so that the shavings are a little damp, and that was kind of what you need to start the breakdown. So if you're putting just dry wood chips in there, it takes a little longer. The coffee gives it a little bit of moisture so that the pine can start doing its job when you dump it into the back of the potty. So all I do is just open up, put a little sprinkle in to start, and then for the front I add a little bit of vinegar water and let it sit in there, and I empty it in the morning and I empty it in the evening so that there isn't any liquid sitting around. If I'm on the road or traveling, then I use rest stops. But when I'm camped and parked, especially boondocking, this is the way to go. So I sanded and polyurethaned everything several times and decided to put these fun little blue butterflies on there to just give it a little extra. So for cleaning, I just use a little vinegar and water as a little after flush. Weekly, I use a little bleach solution. I take everything out, clean it so it's all sanitary. If I'm boondocking, that is. If I'm not using it, of course I don't. And probably on a daily basis or as needed, I use Clorox wipes just to wipe everything, top, the sides, inside. So it just travels right here on the inside of the bus, so it's easy for me to take care of. And when I want to use it, I just slide it out like that. And of course there's my little toilet paper. Keep that hidden like this. I use this toilet paper for everything. Blowing my nose, wiping up messes. So anyway, it's handy to have there. So there you have it. This is an easy and inexpensive solution for people on the go who need a place to go. It's inexpensive, eco-friendly, and very easy to maintain. Let me know what you think. And as always, see you down the road. But first, here's another Mala moment. Time to hit the road pretty soon, huh, Mala? And then we will ease on down the road. What do you want? You want a snack? I don't have a doggy snack out here, but I do have some cantaloupe and some cheese. Would cantaloupe or cheese interest you? Let's try a cantaloupe. Would you maybe like a cantaloupe? I don't think you've ever had a cantaloupe. Is that a no? No? What happens if I give you some cheese? You want some cheese? All right, here, let's try that. Oh, you know where the cheese is, huh? That's a pretty big piece of cheese. Oh, yeah, no problem there. All right, well, your dinner's up, so enjoy that. All right, I'm gonna go get your dinner.